What's your name?
My name is Merlin Vigara.
How old are you?
I am 39 years old.
What is your religion?
I am a Christian.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have son or daughter?
I have 2 daughters and 1 son.
How old are they?
My eldest is 17 and 13, and my boy is 9 years old.
How long have you been working in Hong Kong?
3 years and
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
no,
How long have you been working with the current or previous employer?
2 years and 8 months now.
Where is your employer living in?
Yun long,
How many square feet of your employer house?
450,
How many family members are there?
5,
How many children of your employer?
2,
How old are they?
5 years old.
Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30.
And then?
Start to cook breakfast for the twins.
And then?
And then send them to school.
And then?
And then go back home and clean, do some household chores.
And then? Like
then-
what?
Like laundry,
Yeah.
cleaning the house, and then ironing, go to market, and cook lunch for the twins.
What time you prepare dinner?
6:30,
Until what time you go to sleep?
around 10.
Okay, thank you.